Hi everyone, my name is Donna. Welcome back to my channel, Needles and Yarn. I'm here today with my yarn haul from Premier, and I want to share it with you. The items that I received just recently. They had their early Black Friday sale starting, I can't remember, a week or so ago, definitely before Black Friday. But I ordered my yarn on 11/17, November the 17th, and I got it on the 24th. That's 5 business days. It didn't take long at all. And what I do, I buy the Premier Rustic yarn. It's normally $6.99 a skein. And what I get is, what I'm going to show you today is 6 skeins of yarn, and they're normally $6.99, and they were on sale for $5 or $5.99. I'm not really sure, but 6 skeins cost me $30, and normally it would have been $41.94. So recently I've been attending craft shows, and I made a couple of videos of the different things that I was making with Premier Rustic. And one of the biggest things were the cows. They sold really good at both of the craft shows that I participated in. And this is one out of Premier Rustic. And this is another one out of Premier Rustic. Really a nice, thick, bulky 5 yarn. I only have 3 left out of, I think I made a total of 12. And I've only got 3 left. Really, really nice. Love these. So I'm going to show you what I purchased. Premier Rustic, 218 yards and 100% acrylic, 7 ounces. Really, really nice, bulky 5. This yarn is called charcoal, and it's made in Turkey. Really, really nice. And they come packaged in 3s. So that's one of the same charcoal, and here's the other pack because I ordered a total of 6. Now I will not be making all cows out of this yarn. I'll be making bulky hats also out of this yarn. I have made a decision that the regular hats out of 4-weight yarn, I'm kind of going to no longer do. I'm going to be doing strictly hats out of bulky yarn. They work up much faster than 4-weights. So, and that's what I'm going to be doing with this yarn in addition to the cows that I just showed you. Now this is Cayenne, C-Y-A-N, again, bulky 5. And 218 yards. 218 yards makes this cow. Okay? It only takes me 2 hours to make these. Beautiful color. A nice blue. A nice blue. And like I said, it takes pretty fast. They're pretty fast in getting the product to you. Again, 6 of everything is what I've done. I've ordered. And this was the first time I've ordered this. This is called Olive. It's a greenish grayish color. Nice. And it is an easy yarn to use. It's real. I love this yarn. Premier Rustic. And I got 6 of those. And this is Premier Rustic. And this is warm gray. A warm gray. Really, really nice. And again, a total of 6. And I think my savings altogether was $41.60 some cents. I cannot remember. I worked the numbers up and I misplaced them. And the total bill, it was free shipping. Free shipping. The tax was $5.72. Local tax $2.72. My bill for all of these items, you can't see them all. Hopefully you can. Ugh. Oh my God. And these, my total bill was $128.44. And like I said, it got to me in 5 business days. So let me know if you've ever used Premier Rustic. It's a great yarn. I find that it's very good quality yarn. And I can't say enough about it. So I just want to share with you my yarn haul from Premier Rustic Black Friday sale. And if you haven't tried it, give it a try. It's a bulky 5, and we know that bulky yarn works up fast. And this coming year, that's what I'm all about. I am kind of moving away from 4-weight yarn. I'll still do some items in 4-weight, but mostly it will be bulky. I'm going to be using a bigger needle and bulky yarn, and that's how I'm going to work it, just to be able not to spend as much time on an item. Again, these cows work up in 2 hours. If you're a really fast crocheter, probably you could work it up faster. I'm not that fast. I'm fairly good at my speed, but I have no reason to, run a marathon in crocheting. But this is nice, and I do that all in this yarn. So I just want to share that with you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.